Now tell me, where's the money? Don Ravioli wants his money. I say we whack the big mouth first. Big Lips is getting whacked.
No, I still need to go to college. Papa! You son of a... No!
Time to send a message. What was that?
We're saved!
Do we have a problem? Who the hell is that?
Oh, that right there? That's Debbie Booshka.
Well, Debbie Booshka is sleeping with the fishes. Capiche?
You forgot to say Booshka.
Booshka! You okay, baby Trevor?
I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.
So we called you here because we think you should see a doctor to bring your old face back. I don't understand. Why? I look fabulous.
No, you don't. You look like a damn Halloween decoration.
This is the worst plastic surgery I've ever seen in my entire life, but I think I could fix it. Now hold your face still, little. This is gonna sting.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Stop recording.
Now keep still on the floor.
Whatever.
Now this one's gonna hurt the most, but it will fix it. Ah.
Oh my gosh, I wish I felt the baby kid. How do I look? Am I beautiful? Where's my baby?
Mom, they got cheese in Target.
Get your butt home.
No.
You are a terrible piano player.
You take that back!
Dad's right. You suck at the piano, Timmy.
Oh, sibling, what letter key is that? I can't see.
Which one?
Hiya!
I have a nosebleed, you damn psycho!
You're lucky that's the only thing bleeding. What a wise guy. Okay, let's play.
Hold on. Let me get you an audience so they can see how terrible you are.
Go ahead, get an audience, I don't care.
Okay, let's hear this so-called terrible piano player.
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Now watch this, Papa Big Chin.
What the hell are you doing?
Satisfied?
Chinese food, how may I help ya?
Yeah, hello?
Ow, my ears! What the hell you want?
Let me get a Happy Meal with 2 toys in them.
What the hell?
That was so funny.
Billy, tonight I'm giving you a big whooping.
Oh!
Life is great. I know you is not staring at me.
What a moron. You never gonna learn. Billy, you gotta go to your room. Your Auntie Lubert's on her way and she doesn't want to see you. Oh. I'm gonna take a 20-minute nap.
I'm gonna take a 20-minute nap. So, who cares?
Wake me up when she gets here.
Did you bring it? I sure did. Good. Now put it under the pillow, so when Auntie Lubert sits there, she'll get a surprise.
Oh my gosh. I felt the baby kick. Oh, Trevor's sleeping. I'll just take a seat. Don't look at me.
Here's your sandwich, honey. Freaking finally. Enjoy. Why is there a bag of chips in my sandwich? Don't look at me. I didn't make it. Then who made it?
And then I told my dad, he's not my dad.
Oh, my friend Timmy, you so funny.
Well, like I always say, a joke a day keeps the depression away.
Hello? Who made this sandwich?
Oh, it was our new chef, Chef Vicencio.
Hello, my friend. First of all, I'm not your friend. Second of all, why is there a bag of chips? Oh, because everyone loves a sandwich with chips. Yeah, but why would you put the bag in the sandwich? Oh, my friend, my bad. Is this a screw? That's where I left my screw. I'm sorry, my friend. I was building a birdhouse while making a sandwich. I could have died. Are you okay with this, honey? Coming, Mom.
Billy, go make me a sandwich.
Oh! My friend, I'll go make you another sandwich. No, don't make me anything else. You take another sandwich, my friend.
Alright. Do we have a problem?
Are you drinking energy drinks?
Yeah, and I need energy.
What the? You should not be drinking energy drinks, especially that many. You can get a heart attack, moron.
It's empty. Go to the store and get me another one.
No.
You dare say no to me after I have consumed caffeine?
Now, Timmy, calm down. Let's not repeat last week.
I'm sweating. Ugh.
Honey, your sis came to visit. I don't know why, but it did. All right, let her in.
Oh, hey, big bro.
I'll be in the kitchen, away from here.
Oh my God, Trevor, guess what?
What?
I felt the baby kick. Are you okay? Why is he shaking?
Now hold on, Timmy.
You, go to the store and buy me more energy drinks.
OMG!
And I'm feeling good.
Oh, hey, baby Trevor.
Hey, Debbie.
Oh! Don't ever scare me, Jumbo Lips.
Were you just watching me sleep?
Yeah, and you look like a baby hamster when you sleep.
Why are you here?
Well, your wife called me to come babysit. Do we have a problem?
Wonderful.
Okay, I'm gonna round everyone up so we can begin work.
Work? I'm playing my game. I don't want to work. I mean, I can't wait to start work.
Okay, before we begin, Lipzilla, go get your other brothers.
Yes, sir.
Barbie girl in the Barbie world, laughing plastic, fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere.
Give me more air, I'm still sweating. Ugh. Do we have a problem, Casper?
No, sir.
Good. You don't know what you're doing.
We do know. We're going to destroy you.
That's right. Now get out the way, Cow Eyes.
What the hell, bro?
Did I win?
I doubt it. And never call me Cow Eyes again. Now, before I destroy you, where's Lucy?
She's on another planet.
Another planet?
Before you destroy me, I'm gonna show you the future. Bullshit!
Luke, you and Lucy were destroying the world.
This can't be true. I can't believe this, Luke.
Do you care for all humanity, Luke? So come with me.
Luke, don't go.
Us androids have to be destroyed.
No! Luke, Lucy.
I'm sorry about your friends, Jumbo Lips.
Luke! Lucy. It's true, we end up destroying the world. I know, I saw. It is time for us to go. But at least we found out what it feels like to have a family.
It's time.
What are you eating?
Mozzarella cheese?
Did you buy that cheese or did you find it in the fridge?
I found it in the fridge.
Well, you better save some of that cheese, Big Back, because Mom bought that for the lasagna she's making for us tonight.
Oh no, it's empty.
3, 2, 1. It's go time.
Finish him! Fatality.
Why does this thing get to sit in my chair? Honey, be nice and let him sit there.
Yeah, be nice, Big Chin.
You're so annoying.
You better watch your mouth, or you're gonna wake up tomorrow morning wrapped up in Cuba.
Timmy, please don't do that again. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go too.
Yeah, run away like a coward. Why is this chair so stiff?
What are you doing? Why are you fighting the chair?
Dad's chair's too stiff, so I'm trying to soften it up.
Oh, okay.
Maybe this will soften it up.
Psy, go.